Alright, we're cleaning carpet today. We're using PadCap Pro, 15-inch Glad pad, Oreck Orbiter. I'll put links in the video description so you guys can get all the information. If you want to buy a machine, if you want to buy these pads, if you want to buy the chemical.
And the customers are in here, but they don't want a video, so they're not going to give us a testimonial.
That's okay.
That's okay. You know, everybody wants to be a star.
Alright, so this is an Encap formula. So what it's doing, it's encapsulating the dirt, and we come along and pick it up. Anything left behind is going to be like a carpet protectant of sorts. And it's going to trap any dirt that gets on the carpets. It's going to keep it from sticking to the fibers. So when you vacuum, you can pick up all the dirt that way. And when you start noticing your carpet's getting dirty, it just means the encapsulation's wearing off, and it's time to get your carpets cleaned again. But it does prolong the cleaning effect, so your carpets stay cleaner for longer. These carpets should be drying about an hour. So.
Yeah, we advertise clean and dry in about an hour. Nobody wants their furniture off the carpet for no 2 days.
Some of you may recognize this apartment because we used to clean for the guy that lived here before these people lived here. We did a lot of steamer videos up here too.
This is the same apartment but different carpet. The guy that we cleaned for, he trashed the place so bad they pulled the carpets out and put this carpet in for these people. This carpet's 7 months old.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Now the carpet's cleaned up pretty good, so they were using a really cheap grade of carpet for a while, and you could not clean them. And it looks like they've started going back, and they're tired of having to replace carpets after 6 months when someone moves out. And you can't fix the carpet, so they're spending a little more money on their carpets again, which is good.
But as you can see, the PadCap Pro and the Trinity Glad pad, it just makes a quick work of this whole deal.
I'll put the contact information in the description. We have a contact person at Trinity, and they can hook you up with the pads and the chemicals that you need. Just tell them that Joe Wheeler sent you, and tell them you're wanting it for an Oreck Orbiter, if that's the machine you're going to use it for, so they make sure it gets you the right size.
Yeah, they sell these bonnets in a 21-inch. For bigger machines, and then this is a 15-inch for the Oreck.
Yeah, now the little overlap on the outside edges is great because it does baseboards. If you're in corners, it helps get the corner cleaner. And they're really good on stairs too because you can hit the inside of the stair that usually you won't be able to hit. So you can also use these pads on cleaning floors. So. And they sell a really good blue microfiber with scrub strips in it, which is a better pad for commercial carpets and Berbers. And I'll put a link and mention that in the description. So you guys can see it's a pretty fast method to clean with, and it's pretty easy, and it works. So someone will ask, don't you extract afterwards? And this is what's called a pad extraction.
It's extracted right into the bonnet.
Yeah, the bonnet's getting dirtier as we speak. And, we'll wash the bonnet out later, and it'll be black. The water will be black.
All the dirt will go right down the drain.
Yeah, so the water you usually see coming from an extractor, and when people dump the truck mounts, we get that black water too. It just doesn't show up here because it's low moisture. We'll probably use less than a gallon. To clean this whole apartment.
Yeah, so. about a gallon of water for the whole place, and it'll dry real fast.
Okay.
Truck mount will use 2 to 3 gallons of water per minute.
All right, we're going to do that hallway there, and then that bedroom towards the back. I'm going to pause here because he's going to have to pre-spray everything. Oh, and the PadCap Pro, we mixed that at 8 ounces to the gallon of water. So that's how you mix that up. But
let's see.
Stay tuned. Oh, you want to show real quick?
No, this won't transfer. If it comes through the top.
Yeah, you can see, one nice thing about these pads, when you're operating the machine, you can look down and see the pad start to darken. And you kind of know when it's time to change the pad.
Yeah, when the top of the pad looks dirty, it's time to flip the bonnet.
Well, no, you don't flip these, you just get a new bonnet.
Right.
This pulls all the way through. Well, stay tuned. We'll be right back. All right, he's doing the hallway real quick. I'll show you. We got this bedroom to do. There's one little stained area there. It's not too bad. Alright. Now when you're using these pads, all you gotta do is watch that pad. When it gets really dark, it's time to put a new pad
When
down.
it goes through the top, change it out.
Yeah, so that's kind of a nice
It's
feature.
It's almost like you can't miss.
Yeah, it's a nice feature with these pads. You can see them get dark. On a lot of pads, you can't tell what's going on. So on those, you just wait till you see the cleaning doesn't seem to be happening anymore, and it's time to flip it or change it out. You can see how the orbital action on the machine raises the carpet fibers back up. So
it does, and these carpets have some matting.
Yeah.
Cheaper carpets will mat down pretty easy, pretty fast. But this will help pick them up and get them on the floor.
So we've been recommending to people, for an average house, you may need, 3 or 4 of these bonnets at least, these pads. But we've been recommending people try to buy about 10. That way, if you're getting a larger job, you've got enough pads to get the whole job done. And we're working with Trinity. It's going to be an Oreck Orbiter Startup Package. And that's going to be 10 of these pads, 10 of the microfibers, and 4 gallons of PadCap Pro. And if you just bought a machine, yeah, that's enough chemicals and pads to get you started. You won't need to worry about chemicals and pads for a long time. By the time you use all those chemicals up, you will have paid everything off.
Well, that stain just came right out, didn't it?
Yeah. There's another one over here.
I'm fairly confident it'll come out.
Yeah, it does a good job fluffing the carpets up. So your customers will like this product because you're leaving a protectant behind for them.
Yeah, free carpet protectant with every job.
Yeah, and it makes their vacuuming more effective for them because they're actually getting the dirt out that usually gets trapped.
Well, the truth is, carpet cleaners don't give away free protectant. We do with this product. And we make sure and point that out to our customers because it's a fringe benefit. And who don't want free carpet protectant? I like everything free I can get, so yeah, I'll definitely take free carpet protectant.
Alright, let's see. Get that one stain there. Here in a second.
You want to walk in here?
No, I can get it from here. Just
like we can go on the bed here.
I'm assuming it's showing up on camera pretty good.
Me too.
Making everybody wait for it, Jay.
Well, it's a big money shot, ain't it? Okay.
That'd be so hilarious if it didn't come out.
They
Be
don't
like,
come
we
out,
just
do they?
throw this video out. We're not going to use that one.
Yeah. No, we usually show the truth. We show the ones you can
If it doesn't come out, we'll just show you it doesn't come out because not all stains do come out.
They don't all come out.
And there are carpets that are completely uncleanable. And people are just starting out, they get on a carpet, they can't get anything to happen with it, and they get super discouraged.
We're not embarrassed to say we can't get that clean because nobody can clean them all.
But that one came out.
Yeah, it came out.
We got so lucky on that one.
Oh yeah, I never had a doubt about it.
All right, check the video description. I'll put links for the machine and information on how to get these pads and
Let's see if we got any dirt. These people keep their carpets pretty clean, so
yeah, these aren't bad at all.
there may not be a bunch of transfer. There it is.
All right, that's pretty good.
There's the top side, bottom side. Yeah, they keep a pretty clean place.
All right, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please hit like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll know when we put new videos up. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Until next time, thanks for watching.